Hey guys, so it's Wednesday, so we are at it again with another makeup tutorial. This week's video is going to be a sunset look. So I'm just taking that yellow shade from the James Charles palette and I'm packing that on above the crease. Then going in with this orange red shade, and I'm really going to be applying that back and forth, applying more product and then blending out because I want that crease color to be very bright. Now I'm just going in with some of the yellow eyeshadow and blending out any harsh edges. Now it's time to go into that dark purple shade, and you want to take your time with purple shades because they can tend to be patchy or hard to blend. So I'm just deepening that crease. And as I'm applying this to the crease, I'm just keeping it very rounded. I'm not extending it past that orange shade because I want the orange to show more kind of at the tail of the look, if that makes any sense, more on the outer V. I don't want that purple shade going too far out. Okay, so then we're just going to go in with this berry shade and we're going to blend out that cut crease at the very end. You know, you can't just leave that stamped there. You want to add a shade, that way everything just kind of blends out and looks very smooth. And then I'm just going to go in with this glitter from the ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply palette. And I'm just going to apply that to the lid where we applied the cut crease. Okay, so I've been using this Milk primer, and honestly guys, it is a really good primer, but it does not go well at all with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. It separates like crazy, like all over my forehead, all over my chin, just everywhere. It just looks a mess. So this primer is really good, just not with this foundation. So keep that in mind if you do pick up both of those products. So now I'm just going to highlight and do my normal face routine, highlight, contour, all that good stuff. I pretty much do the same face routine all the time, so. And that completes this sunset look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.